Hey guys, so I wanted to go over one thing with you that you may not have seen before, and that is on week 2, you're going to see something that says facilitation grid. So your facilitation grid is going to be basically how Miss Harvey is keeping track of your assignments. So each week you have your required assignments, and when you go into the facilitation grid, you're going to see your name and then the name of all the assignments that you have to turn in for that week. So each night I'm going to log in and I'm going to check to see what you've turned in. If you've turned something in, you're going to have a green box. If you haven't turned it in, you're going to have a red box. If you've turned it in, but it's in the process of being resubmitted, you'll have a yellow box. Okay, so what you're going to look for is each day in the morning, you're going to sign in, okay? Sign into Google Classroom, sign into My Learning, and you're going to check to make sure that your assignments are green. And whatever's not green, that means that you can work on that assignment today and get that done. If you think you turned something in and it's not green by the next day, that's because either it didn't get uploaded or it hasn't been graded yet. Okay, so Ms. Harvey is looking only at your grades. So you might think that you submitted something, but since there's no teacher that checked it, it's not going to show up yet. Okay, so I'm going to go in each night and see what your grades are looking like. And I want you guys to try to keep track of how many greens I have and what is still missing.